This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 2023, Round 1, Senior Question 2, the Chippy. So basically, we're given some random inputs, and we need to figure out how much this person's order will cost from this fish and chip shop. And so our first input is going to be, what is our first input? The number of fish, and then our second input is the portions of chips. And so let's do fish equals int input, and then chips also equal int input. Okay, now let's calculate the total so far. So the total cost is going to be fish times 5. So let's do it like that. Plus, and it says chips times £2. So that's going to be chips times £2. And then it says if I spend more than £20, I get the choice of delivery, and therefore I need to take in another input. So if total is bigger than 20, or is it at least 20? More than, okay. So if total is bigger than 20, then let's take in another input. We'll just call that answer. And if answer is yes, then we want home delivery, and therefore we should add £1 to our total. So if answer equals y, I believe, for yes, yeah, y for yes, then to our total, let's add 1, and then let's print total. Otherwise, if it's no, then we don't want to add 1, so we can just print total. And back to our final if statement, which is if total was never above 20, we don't do anything, so we just print out the total again. And there, of course, are a couple of ways you can streamline this. For example, I guess I can remove that line of code and that line of code, and therefore unindent that. And I can probably remove that and that and that as well, unindent that. And this should actually also score us 3 out of 3. Yep.